It's one of the few toys that is super expensive and gonna get played with. Can you believe it? A kid playing with a toy. You go figure. Look at, he's actually playing with this thing like all the time. And he has it with Superman, which I thought was kind of cool. Let me see if I can have Superman. Boppy! I'm gonna try to hold on to Superman. Look at, he can hold on to Superman. That's actually really cool. So here we have it. Gargantos. And he really wants to open it up. So open it up. Pull it out. This thing is huge. It's like a big eye. That is super.
Eyeball.
And the tentacles. The eyeball is super cool. The eyeball is super cool. And then there's like another smaller one. Give me the eyeball. I guess these tentacles go in here. Okay. It's got some pretty good. Alright, give me another tentacle, Brandon. Okay. Go for here. Give me another one.
This is actually very well made.
It does seem really nice, right?
Yeah. The eyeball.
That's why I was so disappointed when it was like a car. I was like, what? So you gotta just pull this out like here. And then you get this out. So give me another one. Give me the other one. So you just gotta pop it in. Firm. And it's in. I like to bend it. Give it a little bendaroo. Get it used to play. Nice. Give me another one, Brandon. Alright, this one's also been nice. Nice. Give me another one. Alright. Got it. Alright, he's starting to look good. He's huge. Look how big he is. He's the size of the baby. That's crazy. Okay, you got the last one? You the last one? This guy's kind of heavy. Oh. Alright. Here he is. Gargantos. And you can make him mean or happy. And he bends. I'm about to do the unthinkable right now. You see, this is a $70 toy because it's made for collectors. $70. Yes, right? Like, when did they stop making toys for kids? And these things are so expensive now. I love this eye, though, and the way it can look around and look at you or look surprised. Like my wife said, it is very well built. And it's huge. So I think the bendy bend. Yes, bendy bend, bendy bend. Bendy, bendy, bend. Bendy, 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 bendy. Bendy, 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 bend. Like he's...
Oh.
So what do you think, Mommy?
I think it's really cool. Actually, it's better than I thought it was going to be.
Really?
Yeah. I think they really articulated the eye as well. Oh.
Yeah, I think
it bends well. Like it's just...
So it's got your approval too, puppy?
Show Dad.
Whoa.
Yeah, you can try it.
Whoa.
Look, it's the size of a 4-year-old.
Let's dance, big guy. City.
What you been doing? Come here. Did you break it? Well, he's been playing with it, and it is very cool. I don't know. It seems like maybe he broke the eye. Did you break it?
Okay.
You broke it? Okay. Because now the eye doesn't look the other way. It just looks this way. Oh. What did you do? I see the... It can't just look straight no more. Oh, man. There, I got it to look the other way. Oh my gosh. Finally. Oh, I thought he broke it. Yeah, you need a break, bro. You need a break. Yo, he almost broke my brand new Gargantos eye. I'm gonna put Gargantos somewhere where you can't break him, okay? Where's baby? Where's the baby Gargantos?
Thank you for the warm birthday wishes. Mwah.